Protecting your car from scratches and color fading isn't rocket science, but it requires dedication and awareness. Guys, today on our channel Supercar Secret, we're going to arm you with the knowledge and tools to keep your car looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Remember, your car is an investment, and like any valuable possession, it deserves your care and attention. So to polish up your knowledge, let's start our video. Number 1. Causes of scratches and color fading. Guys, sunlight, a silent thief, lurks in the sky. Its ultraviolet claws slowly stripping your car's vibrancy with each passing day. The once radiant hues fade, leaving a ghostly echo of its former self. Bird droppings and tree sap, nature's cruel alchemists, brew potent concoctions of acidic despair, leaving permanent stains that mock your efforts at maintaining a flawless finish. Then there's improper washing, a clumsy villain in its own right, stripping away the protective shield of wax and leaving your car exposed and vulnerable. And let's not forget those cringe-worthy moments with rogue shopping carts, misplaced doors, and overzealous branches, leaving lasting battle scars. Number 2. The care transformation. Guys, now let's forge our arsenal of defense, starting with the mighty wax, a superhero shield for your car's vulnerable paint. Every 2 to 3 months, slather on a good quality coat infused with UV protection. This sacrificial layer absorbs the sun's wrath and environmental blows, shielding your precious paint from premature aging. But if you possess the ultimate treasure, a garage, consider it your kryptonite shield. Its walls banish the sun's fury and keep debris at bay, offering your car a sanctuary of pristine preservation. However, when your automotive steed must venture into the open, hone your skills in the art of shade fu. Park under the leafy canopy of trees or the protective embrace of covered structures. Just remember, leaves can be tiny paint assassins, so choose your shade wisely. Number 3. Advanced tactics for the obsessed. For those who truly want their car to shine brighter than a disco ball, here are some extra tips. Think of ceramic coatings as an iron suit for your car's paint, offering superior protection. Don't neglect the inside. Regular vacuuming and cleaning prevent dust buildup, those tiny interior scratch demons. A clean engine bay isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it keeps your car's heart healthy. And speaking of wheels, don't let them become the neglected stepchildren. Regular cleaning and polishing keeps them sparkling and protects them from brake dust and grime. Remember, love your tools. Invest in high-quality car wash supplies and keep them clean, like gentle giants against dirt, unlike rough sponges that leave behind swirl marks. So guys, it was all about the tips to protect your car from scratches and color fading. By incorporating these tips into your car care routine, you'll ensure your automotive companion not only looks stunning, but maintains its value for years to come. If you people enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cars care tips.